11.4, 14th one. Given that vertices plus or minus 7, 0 and E equal to 4 by 3, we have to find the equation of hyperbola. Here vertices plus or minus 7, 0, that means y coordinate 0, that means it lies on x-axis. So it is first type hyperbola. So first type hyperbola equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Now here we want to find a and b vertices plus or minus a 0. Therefore a equal to, so plus or minus 7 comma 0, that is same as plus or minus a comma 0. So from that we get a equal to 7 vertices. So we got a equal to 7. Now given that E equal to 4 by 3, we know E equal to C by A. So E equal to C by A equal to 4 by 3. Now in this, in the place of A, we can substitute A equal to 7. So we can write C by A is 7. C by 7 equal to 4 by 3. Therefore we can find, therefore C equal to 28 by 3. So C equal to 4 into 7, 28 by 3. So we got A and C. Using that we can find B. So A square plus B square equal to C square. Therefore 28 by 3 whole square, that is A square plus B square. So 49 plus. So we can write A square, that is 49 plus B square we want to find. B square equal to C square, that is 28 by 3 whole square. 28 by 3 whole square. Therefore B square equal to 28 by 3 whole square minus 49. 49 is same as 7 square, that is 7 square. Now we can use the formula A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to 28 by 3 plus 7 into 28 by 3 minus 7. So 28 by 3 plus 7 into 28 by 3 minus 7. That is 28 plus 21. That is 49 by 3 into 28 minus 21. That is 7 by 3. That is 49 into 7. 343. 343 by 9. 343 by 9. 49 into 7. 343. 3 into 3, 9. So that is B square. So we got A is 7, B square is 343 by 9. So we can write the equation of the hyperbola. So now we can substitute in the equation. X square by A square, that is x square by A square 49 minus y square by B square, that is 343 by 9. 343 by 9 equal to 1. That is x square by 49 minus 9y square by 343 equal to 1. So that is the equation of the hyperbola. Now 15th one, foci. Foci is given as 0 plus or minus root 10 and passing through 2, 3. See, foci is 0 plus or minus root 10 means which type of hyperbola? So foci 0 plus or minus 10. Foci 0 plus or minus root 10. So the hyperbola is second type because foci lie along y-axis. Therefore second type hyperbola. Equation of that hyperbola is y square by A square minus x square by B square equal to 1. It's the equation of second type hyperbola. Now this is the equation. We want to find A and B. So for that given foci is given and given that this hyperbola passes through 2, 3, point 2, 3. So point 2, 3 we can substitute in the equation. So this is the equation we want to find for given that. So name that equation 1. Given that it passes through 2, 3. It passes through. It passes through 2, 3. So we can substitute 2, 3 here. In the place of y, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So in the place of y, we can write 3. So 3 square, that is 9, by a square minus x equal to 2, therefore 4 by b square equal to 1. So we got one equation containing a and b. So name that equation 2. Or we can simplify this, after that we can write. So this we can write as 9 into b square, 9b square minus 4 into a square, 4a square, whole divided by a square, b square equal to 1. Then cross multiply a square, b square to right side. So we get equal to a square, b square. So that equation, name that equation 2. Now given that foci equal to plus or minus root 10. So we can use the relation a square plus b square equal to c square. So c given c equal to, so using this we get c equal to root 10. So 0 plus or minus root 10, that is 0 plus or minus c. So c equal to root 10. So c square, what is c square? Therefore a square plus b square equal to c square, that is 10. So we got two equations, a square plus b square equal to 10 and 9b square minus 4a square equal to this one, equation 2. So using these two we can solve for a square and b square. We want to find a square and b square. So from this, therefore from this what we can find? A square plus b square equal to 10. Therefore we can write b square equal to 10 minus a square, and we can substitute in equation 2 and we can find a and b. So from this a square plus b square equal to 10, from that we get b square equal to 10 minus a square. 10 minus a square. We can substitute this in equation 2. So this is the equation of this is the equation of the hyperbola, that is y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. So after getting a and b, we have to substitute in this equation. So we'll solve these two equations. We can substitute this in equation 2. So substituting this in equation 2. Substitute in equation 2, we get 9b square. b square is 10 minus a square. So 9 into 10 minus a square. 9 into b square is 10 minus a square minus 4a square equal to a square b square. So a square into b square, that is 10 minus a square. 10 minus a square. Now we can open the bracket. 90 minus 9a square minus 4a square equal to 10a square minus a raised to 4. Now we can take all the terms to one side. So a raised to 4, here minus 10, minus 10 minus 4 minus 9, minus 23, minus 23a square. Then so we got a raised to 4 term, these three terms, then 90 plus 90 plus 90 equal to 0. So the equation is a raised to 4 minus 23a square plus 90 equal to 0. Now see, this is a degree of the equation. See the degree of the equation, fourth degree equation. So if you consider a square, as some other variable y, or y we can substitute, or x we can substitute. So if a square equal to x, this equation can be written as a quadratic equation. So a raised to 4 become, if a square equal to x, a raised to 4 is x square. So the equation become x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0. Now we can find, so here we got b square equal to 10 minus a square. So now we can solve for, we can factorize. So what we get? X minus 18. Into 5, 90. 18 into 5, 90. So minus 18 into minus 5, positive 90. And 18 plus 5, 23. Minus 18 plus minus 5, minus 23. So we can factorize this. And we get x equal to 18 or x equal to 5. So x means a square. So we got a square. Therefore a square equal to 18 or a square equal to 5. So we got two values for a square. Now we can find b square using the relation b square equal to 10 minus a square. From that we can find b square. After getting a square and b square, we can substitute in the equation. So we got if a square equal to 18, b square equal to 10 minus 18. That is negative 8, which is not possible. See, square, b square is negative, which is not possible. So we cannot take that value. Not possible. So we will consider the other value, a square equal to 5. Then if a square equal to 5, b square equal to 10 minus a square, that is 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. So we got a square equal to 5 and b square equal to 5. So we can write the equation of the hyperbola, that is, therefore the equation of the hyperbola is y square by 5, a square equal to 5, b square equal to 5. So y square by a square minus x square by 5 equal to 1. So y square by 5 minus x square by 5 equal to 1. So that is the equation of the hyperbola. So, okay.